Hello everybody. Um we're back in Battle Cats. On my PC, that is. Last episode we got 3 cats. We got 3 super rares and 1 Tanzania. 4. Oh yeah, I got 4. I just woke up from like a 3-hour sleep or something. Norway. Okay, so I just looked at my phone. Not exactly that far. Moon is not that far, so I think we can do it on this episode maybe, if we're lucky enough. Technically, we have the leaderships to just go, but in fact, it's not the fact that I don't want to. I'm just too lazy because it's not gonna have the speed up. It was done by the battle officers club. I want it fast. I like it fast. I don't like it slow. I don't take things slow. Fast. Yeah, we win. Alright, next. I don't. Okay, yeah, let's go. Let's just, yeah, bangun dari tidur siang. So I literally don't know what to do. And I swear, if the fucking recording like has me with a small audio, I swear. Swear to God, today is already a bad day as it is, bitch. What? So yeah, we're on Canada here. I don't think I need to use to leadership, but still, that's a so-so. Now it is. Alright, but it would be pretty good if I could get Togeland past that. Because overall, pretty good. Okay, New York, let's go. Okay. Yeah, let's go. Alright. Good thing I evolved into this guy, because I have no regrets for that. I think that, yes, I love that I'll play that. leadership as if that was or. I swear if I get a trashy Uber like Megidora, I'm quitting. I'm quitting. Yes, yeah, I'm quitting. But if I get a Nikaluga, yes, yay. Give me Nikaluga, please, or else I'm going to smash my table a million times. Like this. Yeah, I'm not crazy enough to do that. Yet. Keyword yet. My. Yeah, I mean, this guy just kills everything. 3,000 damage. Like, I forgot how much damage they do. Yeah, so, yeah, he does that much damage. Just like that. But 3 is over 2. So that's why I'm gonna get 3. After I get Sky Fortress, which is already summoned. No. Oh yeah, I think I'm to Alaska. Alaska, Hawaii, then Moon, right? Yep. Oh, it's this stage. I hate you. Oh, it's this stage. And I have no area attack. I think the hard part is just like usual, spamming draft cat usually works out, so of course. Really? This guy? Really? Again? I'm so tired of this guy. Oh! Now I gotta do Windia. Windia. Type. Yeah, because you... Oh, you do massive damage to, Floating. That's disgusting. This guy is literally flying, which means he's floating. That wasn't already obvious. Oh no 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 wait no 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 wait yes I killed the stupid no wait no Alright, we're in the clear, What happened to my English today? Die. When are you gonna die? Yay! my leadership again! Ah! I swear if I get a crappy Uber, I'm done. Give me Neko Luga. Give me Toge Luga. Give me Shishilan Paso. Ah! At least give me Togeland Paso. The Shishilan Paso and I think the true form. Yeah. Okay, I think that's enough. Now we take this guy. Alright. Summon Nuke. I need to summon a Nuke from the Atomic Bomb. Can did not summon the Nuke on Indonesia. Nope. No, it did not. Bro, why am I not dying by a Nuke? How's my man not dying by a Nuke? Ow. Bro! What's your area attack? Skip battles with the cat CP. Alright. It's Moon. First, let's try it without any items. There's nothing exactly I can change here. Not take that out of context, please. Try a toggle mix so you show I don't know, man. Try to get you. Oh, it's single target? Oh, the head is single target? Oh, alright. That's easy. I'm safe. Tactical nuke incoming! Boop, 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 boop. Okay, I think we're killing him. I don't think the area attack. They're not dying. Okay. Oh yeah, the head is floating. So, I think it counts. Now that was a hit. still I don't know. Touch! Yeah! Yeah! Okay. Nice! That's all I hit. That's all I hit. We need to summon everything in our field. For the platinum ticket! Space cat. There's a space cat. Okay, we're doing it, Probably gonna end the video after I got the match. Let's go! Alright, it's time for the okay, fine. Let's do the super fest first. Let's do super. Alright, nothing, okay. I see where this is going. Okay. I see where this is going. Where's the yellow thunder? Come on, 10% Uber rate. Please. Broski. Wait, what? That's an Uber! Reckon Corpse. Yeah, that's an Uber! But what's the yellow? I thought that was a Nickeluga. Okay. If I recall, yes, you can get these. Yes. Okay. Basically, like, yeah, basically. Okay. Tekoluga, Balaluga, Tomaluga. Come to me. I swear if I get you, I'm smashing my table. Guys, pray for me in the chat. Let's go! Bro! I already have that! In my main account! Only attacks enemies with trades, but deals massive area damage with each strike. So can I hit traitless? Technically? It only starts attacking, but maybe? Fucking hate it. I could die. I hope you die in a fire. Yeah, my luck just isn't yeah, my luck isn't good. Alright, mighty wrecking force. How much do you cost? What? Bro, 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 chill. Can I? How many do you cost? Sama aja, bro. Let's go. Let's upgrade you. What? Oh, if it still costs that. Alright. I'm sorry. Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of aliens into the future. So, yeah, there's also gonna be tons of angels. Especially annoying rush stages. Let me get some XP. Wait. I'm gonna use that because it's a new cat. I'm also gonna redeem Rocker Cat because it's a new cat. I'm gonna exchange all for XP, so 450,000 XP. Now, wait for it. I have 10 cats. Now, I can gacha again. I hate you. Just, yeah. Okay. Thunderjack. What? Let's go to into the future, shall we? But wait. Wait a minute. Can I even level it up to... Legend stages. Skip. Yeah, I kinda already know. Okay, what is today? What can we do? Rich cat. Legend begins. Can't exactly do. Yeah. Well, that's where we end off the lesson, guys. And the video, guys. If you guys enjoyed this one, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys soon. Peace.